Okay, for this video I'm going to show you three different tools, kind of touch-up tools depending on how you want to use them. Um, One of them is called the healing brush, spot healing brush. This can be used for anything, but it's used a lot for blemishes or touch-ups on photos and of portraits. So this is an image that's got a lot of blemishes in it. What you're going to do is you're going to find your own image. Make sure there's some blemishes. You don't really want a ton, but I'll just show you how this works and then you guys will do your own. Okay, so first of all, when you pull in your image, you want to duplicate the image, okay? You have to do this for the assignment because this is my way of checking to see what your work is. So you have a background image. If you just right click, say duplicate layer, right? And you can say, let's just say spot healing on this layer so I know that's the spot healing layer. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be on the spot healing tool, so hover over it, spot healing brush tool, healing brush tool, patch tool. You can kind of mess around with these, but we're just going to focus on this one. And you want your brush actually to be at a soft hardness, so I put it at 0 because we don't want a hard edge, because what it's going to do is just kind of fill this in, and then you decide on the size. You really don't want it real big either, so I'm going to go around 20 points. And then basically what you do is just kind of paint over it. So you kind of see it takes away the blemishes. But you got to be careful because if you use it too much, then it looks very plasticky. Okay, so that's not too bad. But you're going to notice like right in here, because she's got a lot of blemishes right here on her chin. If I go over all this and I'm just clicking and dragging, it kind of blends in her chin, so you lose her chin. So I'm going to go Command Z and undo that. I would maybe just kind of go in and kind of spot, and you can just kind of touch a couple times, or you can kind of click and drag. So what I want to be able to do is when you are done with this, when you upload this image, again, you're going to upload it as a Photoshop document, and then that way I can take this on and off and see the difference that you did on the cleanup. So I want you to clean it up as good as you can without making it look plasticky. So you find the image. It could be of yourself. It could be of something off the internet. Again, you don't want something with a ton of images because I think it's then going to be hard to make it look realistic. So you want some, but not a lot. So that's the first one you're going to do.